Take it! Hey, Sava, could you pitch like a normal person?
I'm trying it normal, like always.
The ball didn't even get to my feet.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
No, Sava, do it right.
Are you sure?
Yeah, throw it. Ouch.
Dang it, that's why I didn't throw hard. Ava, how are you?
Sava, who throws like that? Can't you see I'm just one little girl?
But you asked me to throw harder, so that's what I did.
It's not true. Don't tell lies.
Are you serious?
I didn't ask for anything.
No, you asked me yourself.
It's not true.
You asked me to throw hard. I have
no,
nothing
it's
to do
not
with
my
it.
fault.
Come on, don't tell nonsense. Why don't you shut up? I'm talking to you. Come on, why are you standing there?
Wait a minute. I wonder whose dog this is.
It's wearing a collar. Maybe it got lost.
I can't leave him here alone. Besides, it'll be dark soon.
I can take him to my house. You know that. Mom will be upset. Besides, my room isn't fixed, you know? So...
You only care about your mom. How insensitive.
What do you mean insensitive? You're breaking up with me?
Yeah.
It's okay. They all do the same thing. And I'm used to it. What if nobody really needs me? Oh. Hey, we've made $1 trillion or several $1 trillion. And then what?
It's a total bore. I can't feel happy even if I got all this money. Anyway.
I get the impression that we're stuck in a rut.
I agree. I wish we had some fun in our life, don't you think?
But what kind of fun?
I have no idea.
Mom, Dad, we need to talk.
Oh, what a cute little doggy.
Where did you find him?
In the street.
How beautiful it is.
Can he live with us until we find his owner?
Are you kidding? Of course he can.
Nicole, come here.
I'm writing my doctoral dissertation. Is there something urgent?
Look at the miracle we have in the family.
Oh my god, I haven't seen such a cute creature in my life. It's so beautiful. Everyone seems to like my puppy.
We love it.
Well, I'm tired. I'll take a shower and then I'll go to bed. Mom, Dad, it's so cute. You're not even going to say goodnight to me? Cutie, 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 beautiful.
Oh, come on here, little puppy
beautiful.
dog.
I can't believe it.
Well. How
You're such a
How
cute.
beautiful.
Okay.
Hi, you cutie. Doggy. Which blanket do you like better? This one or this one? Well, if you like both, you can get both. Oh, I feel so fresh after bathing. And now to sleep. By the way, you're not sleeping here today. What do you mean? Where then? Well, I don't know. Find a place for you. There are many rooms in this house. Well, find one yourself. This room belongs to both of us. Are you forgetting that? Yeah, the thing is that now the dog will sleep in this room. Well, do you really want the dog to sleep in my bed now? Yeah, I'm going to protect it. You know, you're out of your mind. Mom!
What's the matter?
Nicole wants to take me out of the room. Say something to her.
Nicole?
Mom, this little dog just came in and he needs a good night's sleep. That's why I'm going to be with him. You see, Mom, Nicole is crazy as a Looney Tune.
Nicole is right. Hey, Ava, go and sleep somewhere else.
My little guy. But Mom!
You're always so selfish.
What? It's not fair!
Nicole, will you let me keep the puppy?
No, me.
Give it to me.
I'm with
I want
him.
some time with him.
Mom,
Come
seriously,
on.
no.
Just a
I'm
minute,
staying with
please.
him.
But I
Give
want
me
the
dog. Mom, come on.
Oh, sorry kids for being so late. Well, where is everybody? Well, let's wait. Oh, I'm going to watch my favorite show. Let's get started. Oh, perfect.
Good morning, Miss Jess.
Good timing. Why are you late, Ava?
Sorry, I had to sleep in the kitchen today.
What?
It turns out we have a dog at home and my parents took me out of my own room. Can you believe that?
I don't believe you. That's impossible.
I'm telling you the truth. Even my older sister fell in love with that dog.
Ava, your sister's smart and she's also writing her doctoral thesis. I don't really think she would do such a thing.
You're right. Nicole forgot everything when she saw that dog, even her doctoral thesis.
Okay, that's enough. Let's start the class. Write down the topic.
Excuse me for a minute.
Oh, Nicole, hi. And who's this nice guest?
No. This guest, Miss Jess, is our new puppy.
Oh, well, can I hold him?
It's okay, just for a little while.
Oh,
I'm going to grab the books I need.
how cute.
Yeah. I'll take this one, also this one. Let's see. And I'll take this one too.
You're so cute. I don't even want to give you back.
Well, we're off. Miss Jess, let him go.
No, don't take him away. I want to hold him in my arms forever.
Miss Jess, what about class?
Doggy!
Hey! What's that miraculous dog?
This barely fits in my mouth, but they're quite delicious.
I knew I'd find you here. Sava! Hello? Won't you talk to me anymore?
No,
But you said a word. That means you're talking to me. And silence means yes. So you do talk.
dang it, Ava, you confuse me so much.
At least tell me what's wrong.
I'm upset with you because of yesterday.
Oh, for breaking up with you? Sorry, I shouldn't have done that.
It's just that it's the third time in a week already. I wish you knew how hard it is to sleep on a wet pillow.
Well, I won't do it again. You have my word. Peace?
Well, peace.
Well, we have a problem.
Like you always come to me only when you have problems, right?
Hey, we're about to finish for the 4th time.
Well, math girl.
Remember the dog I brought home yesterday?
Yeah, I remember him. It was a very nice puppy.
Well, the thing is that I took it to my house and everyone stopped paying attention to me.
I don't think...
I'm serious. I don't know what to do right now.
I think you're overacting. You usually like to do that.
I don't.
Let's go to your place this afternoon. I want to see if with my own eyes.
You'll see.
Oh, Ava, wait. I almost forgot this. What? I know I promised you to go on a diet, but it's stress.
Let's go, shall we?
Let's go.
You look beautiful in every way.
Oh, our miracle dog, you're our joy. Let's worship you. I'm loyal to you till the end of my days.
Applause! Well, did you like this performance number?
I still haven't said everything I wanted to. All our money is your money. All our property is your property. Our beloved Dougie.
I was talking exactly about this.
My Doggy King.
Oh, our doggy king.
Good morning.
Oh, how nice of you to come. Sava, will you hold him, please? I have to get something.
No problem. I don't see anything special about this dog. See? Our dog is sad. Oh, don't cry. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? I know! We're going to organize a concert for him.
Sava!
Exactly. Let's go.
I already brought everything for the concert.
Yeah! Hooray!
Music!
You only make you feel like you could never leave. Do the same, we can't go back. This is all we need.
Oh, that's for you.
Make your dreams come true.
Nicole, what about your studies? That can wait. I understand my dad, but what are you doing, Sava?
The dog was very sad. Please don't be so selfish.
Do you understand how pathetic you all look right now?
Ava, you can dance with us or leave. Don't ruin the doggy party.
I'm not going to bother you. Look, he's feeling better already.
Yeah, let's get going.
I'm going to get some water. Maybe that will help calm me down. I don't understand. What do they see in that dog?
You're just afraid to admit that I'm better than you.
What? Who's talking?
You're foolish too. What are you looking at? Didn't you know dogs could talk, little girl?
No, I didn't know.
Don't worry, we won't live together for a long time. Soon you'll be kicked out and everyone will worship me.
Shut up!
Ava, who are you yelling at?
To the dog! He can talk, Mom!
Don't talk nonsense.
I swear I'm telling the truth. Doggy, say something! I see, you set me up, you evil thing.
You look like you're jealous.
I'm telling you, it's true.
Okay, let's take a look at the new purchases now. I went shopping.
Did you buy something for me too?
Dang it, I forgot about her.
I see.
Don't be mad. We'll go together next time. Maybe.
What the heck was that? Who shows up at this hour? I was dreaming that I was painting my puppet's portrait.
Hi, Nicole, I'm here for you.
Did you come for the doctoral thesis?
Forget the dissertation. I'm here for a personal thing.
Well, I wonder if there's anything more important than my dissertation right now.
Turns out there is. Listen, can I play with your doggy a little bit? I really liked it.
Well, at the moment my mom's playing with him. In the meantime, we're making up new fun stuff for the puppy.
I can be a babysitter for your dog. I can work for free if you want.
Well, you see, we don't actually need a nanny.
Hey, you'll see. Now I'll pay you if you let me babysit him. Here you go. It's all my savings.
Wow!
Where's my little boy? Honey, come to me.
Wait for me, Miss Jess. Miss Jess! Well, what should I do now?
Hey, where did you live? It was a great concert.
You don't mind that I left an hour ago?
Oops, I didn't notice.
I'm not surprised.
Why are you getting angry? Better cheer up. Your family has a new hobby. And this one's in common.
Now nobody pays any attention to me in this house, not even you.
I agree with you. Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Give me that phone already.
You're gonna get angry.
Give me the phone. Are you seriously looking at pictures of the dog while I'm telling you more important things?
But look how beautiful his lips.
I am so sick of that darn dog.
God, no, my phone. Oh no, now I'll have to buy a new one.
And just so you know, that evil dog can actually talk.
What?
Yeah, and it looks to me like he's about to do something very bad.
Ava, do you hear what you're saying? It has no sense.
Yeah, right, wait, I'll prove it to all of you.
I think I'm gonna go home. We're gonna talk tomorrow when you get better.
Saba!
Goodbye.
Mom, we're ready.
Are you sure?
Yeah!
Meet our new star who goes by the name of Mickey.
Woo! Yeah! Bravo!
He's such a spectacular little boy.
Unimaginable.
Woo!
Well, how do you like our little fashion show?
I'm speechless with his beauty.
I've never seen anything better in my entire life.
Mickey, can you sign this autograph for me?
No, he's not in the mood for that.
I obey you, oh great mistress of Mickey.
I wonder when Mickey's birthday is.
I don't know.
I have a fabulous idea.
I think I do too.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Let's have a real birthday party for Mickey.
I'm going to get the balloons.
And I'm going to get the hats.
And I'll go for the candles and the cake.
Hurry up! Mickey is already waiting for his surprise.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mickey. Happy birthday to you. 1, 2, 3.
Hooray!
Happy birthday, our dear Mickey.
This is going to be my favorite day of the year.
And now, Mickey's birthday party begins.
Hooray!
Tell me why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy?
Maybe they have fun over there.
I just had
And I don't have fun sleeping on the floor.
Want you all night long, want you all night long.
Why the heck did I bring that stupid dog home? I'm just making things worse. Besides, I can't turn off the light because that stupid dog is afraid of the dark.
You're such a loser, Ava.
You again?
Yes, I like to tease you.
What do you do this for? What do you want from me?
I want to teach you a lesson, little girl.
What lesson? I get them at school.
You still don't understand. But okay, you're going to understand later.
You're so weird.
Look who's talking.
Stop it. I don't want to continue this conversation.
Who are you talking to?
With Mickey or whatever his name is.
Looks like it's time for bed. You're in a bad mood today. Good night.
Good night. What lesson was Mickey talking about?
Let's see. You promised you'd come on time. We have a seriously important lesson today.
Good morning.
Good morning. Come on in and have a seat.
With pleasure.
I hadn't been coming to school anymore. I didn't want to come here, but today I'm forced to come.
Well, are you ready for class?
Yes!
Okay, we're starting the lesson dedicated to Mickey.
Woo!
Hooray! Well, we celebrated his first birthday yesterday. How did you guys like everything?
Can I answer first?
Sada, go ahead.
I didn't know a duck's birthday was more fun than a man's birthday. Oh, you did not?
How dare you call our dear Mickey with the humiliating word dog?
Throw the papers at him.
Oh no, please don't.
Shame on you! Shame on you!
I didn't expect you to say something like that.
Shame on you!
I won't do it again.
Saba, you really disappointed me today by saying this. Calling him a dog?
Forgive me, please.
Kevin, and why are you crying?
I'm sorry for him. Thank you.
Hey guys, class isn't over yet.
Stop acting like such babies.
Yeah, we're done. Yeah, let's move on with the class.
Okay, who has any new ideas about what we can do to celebrate Mickey's next birthday?
Me.
I have to outsmart that dog. I'm going to be the best daughter and then everyone will love me again.
Whoa, that's something new.
Mom, Dad, look what I prepared for you.
Thank you. You're very kind. Who is it?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Ava.
Exactly, Ava. And who is she?
I think she's our daughter, but I'm not sure.
Enough.
Help yourselves. Let's have a little talk.
You know what, Ava? This is really tasty.
Do you really like it?
Yeah, I think Mickey is going to like it.
That's it.
Well, I I also cleaned the entire house.
The whole house, really?
Mm-hmm.
Even the dust?
Uh-huh. I did it twice.
That's super. Mickey must live in a clean house.
I agree with you.
Can you stop talking about Mickey this, Mickey that? Can you tell me what you did today?
Well, we woke up, we said hello to Mickey,
Then we went to Miss Jess's class where we talk about Mickey.
and then we went shopping to buy clothes, toys, and food for Mickey.
And now we want to spend time with our dear love.
Well, you guys finally decided to go somewhere with me and Nicole?
You're so funny. We want to be with Mickey.
It's just that he's sleeping in his room now.
I see. Then I won't disturb you.
What happened to her?
Well, let's go. Mickey's waiting for us.
Right, I'll bring him these cookies. Mickey! Mickey! Mickey!
What lesson did that dog talk about? No, not this. No, not this either.
Hello, what are you doing?
No. What do you care?
You haven't calmed down yet?
No, yesterday I confirmed that that dog can actually talk.
Hey, don't call Mickey that dog. Or the same thing that happened to me today will happen to you. It gives me chills just by remembering it.
Well, the way I see it, it's not me that has the problems. You all do.
Don't talk nonsense. We better go for a walk.
Let's do it. It's been a long time since you asked me out.
Okay, I'll pick up Mickey and we'll go.
Are you kidding? I thought we would finally spend some time together.
But we can't go without him.
Get out of here.
But Ava!
I'm going back to finish this.
My little boy. I swear one day you'll be mine and I won't give you to anyone, my dear.
Miss Jess, it's my turn to play with Mickey now.
Oh, I have about 20 more seconds.
Okay, I'm going to wait. 18, 19, 20. Okay, time's up. Give it to me here. Miss Jess!
Let me hold him just one more minute. He's too cute.
No, you can't. It's mine.
Well, who says so?
I did.
Nicole, be careful. Do you want to get a bad grade at the end of the year?
Don't forget that your award depends on my dissertation.
Oh, I understand.
This is my
Oh, he'll be
dog.
mine.
No,
you
he brought
don't
him to
deserve
me.
him. He
He's
is actually mine.
He's my
Is-
dog.
No,
Come on,
no,
you have
he's
to
my dog
understand.
actually.
No, wait. Where's Mickey?
Oops, I don't know.
That's your fault. Come on, we should look for him.
Let's hurry up.
What else can it be? Really?
Mickey! Mickey, where are you?
Where are you, Mickey?
Mickey! He's not here.
Dang it. What happened to you? Mickey disappeared.
And it's your sister's fault.
Don't talk nonsense. You better look for him.
That's what I'm doing.
Maybe it's not a fluke?
What's going on here?
Mickey's missing!
What do you mean he's missing?
Just like that, he's nowhere to be found.
I can't believe it. Everything was fine.
Why did he run away? Aren't we nice enough for him?
I wish I could see him one more time. I would tell him so many things. How much I love him.
And I would too. I would apologize to him for not taking him away from here sooner. How is this possible?
Well, Cindy, let's get back to our normal sad days.
Come on, I don't feel like doing it though.
Right, the riddle is solved. I understand the lesson Mickey wanted to teach me. You start to appreciate a person only once you start to lose them. Before I was really selfish, and now everything has changed. Mickey, if you hear me, thank you very much, nice doggy.
You're welcome.